Welcome to Salisbury and the infamous St Mark's Roundabout. And for some learners, this roundabout is notorious for being particularly tricky at the start of a driving test. But what I'm about to show you is a series of videos which is going to help you with lane choices, it's going to help you with the decision, it's going to show you how to do all of the exits coming from Wain-A-Long Road, which leads from the test centre, and hopefully by the end of the series, you are going to be a master at St Mark's Roundabout. As we drive down Manor Road, the driving test centre is on the left with the grey roof and the green door. Now there's no guarantee you're going to get St Mark's at the start of a driving test, but there's a very good chance. So what I would recommend is you know which lane to use as you approach St Mark's Roundabout from Wain-A-Long Road. Now I'm going to give you the same brief that I give all of my students. We would normally do this stationary, but obviously it's a little bit different in the video, so we are going to pause the video when we get down there. So we're coming out of Manor Road here, and we're coming on to Wain-A-Long Road. And Wain-A-Long Road is the road that approaches St Mark's. As we come down this road, it's important that you know where you're going and which lane to use at this point. So I'm going to pause the video now. We don't need to overcomplicate this bit. We're going to have a left-hand lane and a right-hand lane. It's going to be easier for me to show you which lane for which exit from above. So we're going to go up into the sky. Let's start off by putting our left and right-hand lanes on Wain-A-Long Road at the bottom of the screen. Now let's label our exits. First exit left, Southampton, A36. Second exit left, City Centre. Third exit ahead, Warminster, A36. Fourth exit right, St Mark's Avenue. Fifth exit right, London Road, A30. There are also 3 lanes at the set of traffic lights in front of you, but we're just going to use the left-hand lane and the right-hand lane. I wouldn't recommend you go in that middle lane at the start of your driving test. You do not need that drama, trust me. But I will show you what that middle lane is for in a future video. At Wain-A-Long Road, we use the left-hand lane for taking the first exit left. That's nice and straightforward. We're also going to use the left-hand lane to go to the left-hand lane at the set of traffic lights. From there, you can take the second exit left into the city, and also you can take the third exit ahead towards Warminster A36. That particular exit, that catches a lot of learners out because they hear third exit, so they automatically assume they're turning right. We use the right-hand lane at Wain-A-Long Road to turn right. So from there, you're going to go over to the right-hand lane at the set of traffic lights. You're going to allow the little kicker on the floor to push you out. So when you get to the second set of traffic lights, you're going to need the left-hand lane. From there, you can either exit and go up St Mark's Avenue, or continue in the left-hand lane and follow the road all the way around and exit towards London A30. So to summarise, from Wain-A-Long Road, you want the left-hand lane for exits 1, 2 and 3, and the right-hand lane for exits 4 and 5. I'd recommend at the traffic lights you only use the left or the right-hand lane and avoid that middle lane. And there we go. They're the lanes from Wain-A-Long Road at St Mark's Roundabout covered for now. In future videos, I'm going to look at the decision emerging out of Wain-A-Long Road, and also how to do the exits 1 to 3 and also exits 4 to 5. So if you'd like to see those, do hit subscribe. If you've got any questions, pop them down below and I'll try my best to get back to you. Thanks for watching.